What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Sweet Creature by Harry Styles on the good old uke. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here. If you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video, I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you do, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is I will be doing a full play along for this song. I'll make sure to link it in the top of the comments and linked in the description below. Usually I have it out the day after, so definitely go check that video out once you're done with this one. Again, the play along video consists of me strumming and singing the entire song with the chords and lyrics on screen, so it's a super easy play along for you. But with that all said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. So the chords that we need for this song are A minor, B minor, C, D, E minor, and last but not least, G. So if you're like, Ricky, I know all those chords, let's move on to the strumming section. Again, I will include the skip to section right here. That will be your best friend. Just skip to whatever timestamp it says for whatever section in the video that you want to skip to. But if you're like, Ricky, I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago, please help me. I have no clue where to put my fingers on the uke for each chord. Don't worry, this is why this video exists. We're going to go step by step on where to put our fingers on the uke for each chord, and then we'll talk about how to play the song with the strumming. So if you want to learn the chords, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and learn these chords. As always, I will include a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord, because I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. It's like a double whammy, you know what I mean? So let's talk about the first chord that we need, which is the A minor chord. And the A minor chord, we're going to play it like this. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, which again is the top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the B minor chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is a C chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the D chord. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do it. The first way is how I play it, and the second way is the more traditional way. So how I play it is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the top 2 strings, which is the 4th and 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And the second way, which is the more traditional way you can do it, is you're going to take your pointer finger, place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. So you're occupying the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 2nd fret. And it should sound exactly the same. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how we're going to play this one. The next chord is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. So how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need for this song is the G chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So those are all the chords that you need for this song. If you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and once the chords sound crisp and clear, then press play, and now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. So I'm going to teach you a couple different ways. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't even want to deal with strumming. Strumming is too complicated. I'm just trying to figure out how to change chords. So the first way is just going to be, again, you just heard it, with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down. And again, the entire chord sheet will be in the description. That basically just means that the lyrics and chords will be in the description, and you can copy and paste it, keep it for yourself. And what's also really special about that is that I included the chord right above the words, so you know exactly when to change chords. So I feel like that's super helpful. So again, everything will be in the description below. Copy and paste it, keep it for yourself. So the second way we're going to learn it, and actually the way that I played it in the full play line for this song, we're going to do a strumming pattern, which is going to be the down, up, down, up. So again, you're just going to do the down, up, and you're going to do that throughout the entire song. Now it's going to change a little bit. So for the verse, you're going to do the down, up, once for every chord. Then for the pre-chorus, you're going to do that down, up, twice for every chord. So again, it's just going to switch. And again, I'll leave everything in the description below so you can know. So verse, just once, down, up, pre-chorus, you're going to do that twice for every chord. Down, up, down, up. And for the chorus, when it goes, sweet creature, wherever. So that part, you're just going to be strumming down. So it's going to go C, B minor, G. C, B minor, G. You're just going to strum down for that part for the chorus. So again, that will all be right here, and I'll also make sure to include it in the description below. So again, you're just going to do for the verse that one time, which is the down, up. For the pre-chorus, you're going to do that strumming pattern twice. Down, up, down, up. And for the chorus, it's just going to be a strum down. So that is the different ways that you're going to play this strumming pattern. And again, if you don't want to deal with it, you can always just play around with the strumming and just make it super easy for yourself. And if you just want the easiest, you just strum down. All right, so we talked about chords and the different ways you can play this song with the strumming. So congratulations, you now know how to play Sweet Creature by Harry Styles on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much to you watching. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching and learning this awesome song with me. I really love Harry Styles. I have a bunch of Harry Styles One Direction videos on my channel, so if you want to go check it out, I'll leave a playlist up here. So definitely go check all those out. I did have play-alongs, tutorials, all in between. So if you are a One Direction Harry Styles fan, this channel is definitely for you. We also have a bunch of other artists as well, like Billie Eilish, Phineas. We have a bunch of just everything. So hopefully you'll stick around, watch some videos, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. If you're like, Ricky, what kind of uke are you holding? This is the Kumu ukulele. It is a tenor size uke. It's a Hawaiian uke. Absolutely amazing. I'll leave the link for this in the description below. You can just go to leolaniukulele.com, and the awesome people at Leolani Kumu decided that they want to give you a special discount. So if you use Ricky10 at the checkout, you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. Again, that's Ricky10. If you use that code at checkout, you'll save $10 off your entire purchase, which is absolutely amazing. So if you want to be uke twins with me, make sure you go to leolaniukulele.com and get this beautiful uke. They also have the Leolani series as well, which is a little bit more affordable, but I highly recommend this one if you want to get a really high quality Hawaiian ukulele. So again, thank you so much for the team over at Leolani Kumu for making amazing ukes and for giving you that awesome code Ricky10 at checkout. Save $10! If you want to see more behind the scenes stuff of me recording and just my life in general, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. We've reached over 56,000 Instagram family members. Thank you so much. If you have already, follow me on Instagram. And if you haven't, I would love to have you join the Uke fam on Instagram. Also, an important thing is we have merch. This is the official Uke fam merch for this channel. So if you want to get this, there's hats, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, everything you can think of. That'll be linked in the description below. It'll be a top line as well. Make sure you get yourself some merch. And if you do get merch, tweet me, Instagram me, DM me, send me a message, leave comments below letting me know that you got it. I would love to thank you personally. So thank you so much for all the support for the merch. You guys are absolutely amazing. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for these 10-15 minutes. I truly love that you come over here and watch and learn. And it's just really cool that we get to hang out for these 10-15 minutes. I really think it's so awesome that we can do this. So thank you for all the support you've been showing me, and I hope you love this video as much as I do and love Harry Styles as much as I do. He's an absolute beast of an artist and I absolutely love him. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.